under any circumstances, Dabolim Airport has to continue for civilian operation. And Goa being a tourism state, we need both the airports, Manohar International Airport and Dabolim International Airport. So, Honorable Minister questioned us, what makes you believe that we are considering such a proposal? Then I was asked to speak. I intervened and I said, I have very clear reports that there was a meeting with the naval chief and the Union Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Naidu, wherein they tried to put means their case forward that all civilian operations may shift to Mopa. We want the airport. He said no. Without coming to my notice, such a thing can never happen. I will never allow this to happen. He gave a categorical assurance to us. Thereafter, he also asked me and the Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Sadanand Tanavde, come to me again. I will call all the officials, including the naval chief, and we will set to rest this entire episode once for all. Though there is no proposal, we want to remove the fear of the people of South Goa or of Goa that this airport can ever be closed for civilian operations.